I got Trigger out, and I'm going to put the deck back on Trigger. Like I said, I'm going to set it up for spring cleanup. I'm not going to worry about sharpening the blades. I'll do that after I'm done with all the spring cleanup stuff at all the different properties. You know, then I'll get the blades nice and sharp for the weekend. I unloaded the generator on the back of the pickup truck. That'll go back in the garage. So I'm going to grease up the deck on everything. I got some new deck wheels for the front of this, and so I may put those on yet right away here today too, because that's the wrong wheel. It should be a curved wheel. Those cut into the grass, and that one you can see the bearing is kaput in that one. Things wear out with time, and so you just got to do your maintenance. Right, so step number one on putting this mower deck on this X300 is, this is your raise and lower pedal for the deck. You pull that all the way back, and then you hit and pull up that lock button. You lock that pedal all the way back. Step one. Next thing, first I rolled the deck underneath, and then these little arms that come down, you have to put these pins just pull, and they slide into place right there. So that's locked in place. Next thing I'm going to do is, you've got this arm right here. This loosens your belt tension basically up. So I got the arm pulled back. I'm going to put the belt on and tighten this back up and lock it in place. Then I'll put the front arms. There's a little bracket that goes through the front by that roller there, and you can see the bracket laying on the blacktop, and that goes through the two up front on the frame. And then you basically got it. Not too much to it. Hit that like and subscribe button. Check out those other videos at Pro and the Project Specialist. Final step here, I've got that front bracket that holds the front of the mower deck. I got that up and through and pinned here to the front of the tractor on both sides. And final step is, there's a bolt here, and I just need to adjust that. That's the tension for raising and lowering the deck. But the deck is on. It's got the mulch kit in it. It's all ready to go. I'm going to replace these front two wheels yet. I'll pick the deck up, turn it, and put the two new wheels on. So here's what we got now. I bought brand new. I got 4 of them. I actually only intended to put 2 of them on. The bearings were just totally shot on that wheel. The backs were okay. But these are such nice wheels that I got. I thought we're going to replace all 4 of them, get them all matching up. They all have grease zerks on it, which is nice. Not sure what the company is. Got them off of Amazon. But so we got 4 nice guide wheels now on the mower deck. I'm going to pull it forward on the flat here, and I'll adjust it. The guide wheels at the setting that you're mowing should not touch. They should just be above the ground a little bit, and those should be adjusted according to whatever height that you're going to mow at. The weight of the mower should not be on the guide wheels. It should be hanging on the tractor.